Hello, I am Anna Pollard, technology instructor at MyFunScience, and this is Computer Science Week. This week we're celebrating Computer Science Education Week, and we wanted to remind everyone that MyFunScience isn't just science classes. We also offer a variety of technology classes, including an overview of computer science, as well as graphic design, information and communication technology, intro to game design, intro to the Python programming language, and web development. Computer science is an important subject because it teaches problem solving and analytical skills, and it's an essential skill in the modern job market. Plus, there are many scholarships out there dedicated to this area of study. If you would like to know more about the classes offered at MyFunScience, we invite you to visit MyFunScience.com, and please be sure to reach out to us if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to teaching you computer science subjects soon. Take care.